I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and in today's video we have a really exciting video because we are going to be going through a brand new Lush collection, which honestly, I just can't get over it. I am so excited about this range. It has a bit of controversy, I'm not gonna lie, but I would love to know all your thoughts and feelings down below in the comments. But I'm gonna go through the entire range today, and that is the Lush version, which, if you guys didn't know, is essentially Body Shop products that Lush created, now released through Lush, which is all a bit of a confusing way to explain it, but basically the CEO of Lush did invent these products back in the day, and they have now released them themselves. So we're gonna go through all of the items. I have 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10 items to share with you, which I will say as well was ever so kindly gifted from Lush. Obviously, as always, they never pay me to make these videos, they never ask for these videos. I do this because I know that you guys would love to see this, and to be honest, I'm just so grateful that this is the least I could do. Do you know what I mean? So we're gonna go through all the items today. I am so excited to share it all with you. So without further ado, we are gonna dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. Okay, so the first thing we have in the box is this, and it says the Lush version. The Lush version is a fresh take on old friends and Body Shop classics, a tribute to the hippie path we forged decades ago when Anita gave our very first formulas a chance. Take a trip back in time with us to revisit some iconic formulas from the past and some of our own creations that we bet you never knew about. We picked much loved formulas back up, dusted them off and reformulated them for a new era. Intrigued? Scan to find out more. So I'll hold this up for you guys. Feel free to give that QR code a little scan and see what you think, but this is what it says. I am just so excited about this. Okay, so I think I'm going to dive into the body butters first. So the first one is the olive body butter. Now I absolutely love the packaging. I am just a really big fan of the new design, especially for this range. It's just very fresh, very clean, and I really like the white pots. I just think they're really nice. Anyway, this one says, give dry skin an olive branch. This expertly balanced blend of virgin olive oil, fresh lemon, and avocado butter will leave you feeling soft and dewy. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got extra virgin olive oil, muru butter, jojoba oil, lemon oil, orange peel wax, oak moss extract, which you guys know, oak moss and me, we don't really get on. I'm not a fan. We also have mandarin oil, we also have bergamot oil. Let's just dive in and see what this one is like. Ooh, okay, this one is very thick. I'm not gonna lie, like I love a thick butter like that. I think it's just so luxurious, very creamy, and let's try some out on the skin and see what it looks like. So that is it on my skin there. It's a very buttery, I'm not gonna lie, very weighty kind of moisturizer. Like it's very oily, but I think after you've had a shower or a bath, this would be perfect. Wow, that smells so good. That is very gentle, very subtle. It doesn't smell like olives or earthy or anything like that. It's just a very clean, very gentle, the only way I can describe it is it's very gentle. It's not overpowering. It's so subtle. You can really barely smell it, if I'm being honest. Like it's very subtle on the skin, but you can smell that something's there. It's almost like a very light, like sun creamy smell. It's very good. I absolutely love that. So this is the first item in the range, and again, I just love the packaging. Obviously this is the same as the Body Shop butters, but I do really like the kind of thinner, fatter kind of pots. I just think they're really nice. So that is the first item in the range. Next up is the second body butter in the collection, and this is the coconut body butter, and this one says rich, thick and full of it. A supremely creamy butter made with over 10% coconut ingredients that your skin will lap up. And again, this is what it looks like. As you can see, the kind of design of the stickers are very similar, but they all are custom to each product, which I really like. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got coconut infusion, coconut oil, sesame oil, muru butter, we've got argan oil, cocoa butter, geranium oil, vetiver oil, we've also got coconut cream. This sounds really good. Let's open it up and see what it's like. Oh, okay, so this one is instantly a lot more thinner than the other. If I tip it, you guys should be able to see it does kind of move around a little bit. Oh, I just nearly spilt that. Can you imagine if that went over on the carpet? That would be horrific. Anyway, it's a lot thinner than the other one, so let's try it on the other side. So this is what it looks like. Very milky, very thin. I much prefer a moisturiser like this, if I'm being honest, because I feel like it soaks into the skin quicker, but it does still leave that really nice moisturised kind of feeling on the skin, which I like. And actually this side now has all soaked into my skin and it doesn't feel greasy at all, so that's really interesting. Oh, that is good. If you like coconut, you will really like this one. It has got a very lovely kind of, I don't want to say coconut, but like it is coconut. It has got a very lovely coconut scent to it, but again, it's not overpowering. It's a very gentle, creamy coconut smell. Like I really enjoy this one. That one is really, really good. Again, very, very gentle. I think so far the kind of scents of this collection are very subtle, very gentle, very like soft and like neutral almost, which I really like. But that is the second body butter. Very excited about that one. And the third body butter that we have in this collection is the Brazilian body butter, and this one says lavish dry skin in this richly softening treat of a butter made with over 10% Brazil nut oil for its natural vitamin E content. Again, I'm just so excited about this one. Again, I also feel like this one is going to be a subtle fragrance. I might be wrong, but I feel like the three scents in this range so far are all kind of very subtle, very gentle, kind of suitable for most people, which I really like. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got Brazil nut oil, fair trade organic cocoa butter, avocado oil, capucci butter, orange oil, ylang ylang oil, aloe vera gel. You've also got things like, I'm going to keep reading, but there's nothing else on here. Almond oil, did I say that already? I am really excited about this one too. Let's see what this one is like, and hopefully I don't spill it. Okay, I hope you guys can see that this one is also very, very liquidy. I don't want to spill it on the carpet because Ryan would not be impressed, but I am going to try this one out as well. Somewhere else on my arm. Let's see what this one's like. Okay, yeah, so this one is similar to the second one that we just did, where it was very creamy. Wow, okay, this one is a bit of a stronger fragrance, but again, it's nothing too in your face. Do you know what I mean? Like, you know how some body lotions will smell like intense strawberry or orange or stuff like that, where it is really, really strong. This one isn't at all. It's a very creamy kind of smell. It does smell a little bit like nutty, if that makes sense, but not in a kind of gross savoury way. It's a very sweet, gentle smell. I really, really like that one too. I don't know which is my favourite. I think, oh, I don't know. I really like them all. I like the texture of them all because they're all kind of a little bit different, but yeah, I really like that. And one thing I will say as well is that they have sunk into the skin really nicely. Like, I don't feel greasy or anything, so yeah, I love those. Those are incredible. Okay, so let's talk hair care. They have released not one, not two, but three brand new hair care items, which I am so excited to try. So the first one is the ginger shampoo. I am going to be so in love with this. I can already tell because I love a stimulating shampoo. I love a shampoo that's got a scrub in it. I just really love to cleanse my scalp, and this, it's just going to be perfect. So this one says is an anti-dandruff shampoo for dry and flaky scalps, and it says off the scale cleansing to keep your scalp looking clean and clear and your hair shiny and fragranced. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got coarse sea salt, ginger root infusion, fresh rosemary, honey, we've got ginger oil, argan oil, avocado oil, we've also got bergamot oil, geranium oil, sandalwood oil, gardenia extract. I have a feeling that I'm gonna love this product, but not like the smell. Like, I am ready to not enjoy the smell because I don't like the smell of fresh ginger, like ginger beer and like that kind of thing. Like, I don't like it, and I have a feeling that this is gonna smell like fresh ginger, but we're gonna smell it anyway. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, okay, so this is what it looks like. I can already smell it. Yeah, this smells incredibly, incredibly strong. If you guys like ginger and you like that kind of smell, you will love this one. But yeah, this literally, it literally smells like ginger. I feel like Lush had a product that smelled like this before, which I didn't like either smell wise, but I would actually still use this one because of its properties more so than the smell, if that makes sense. I feel like I can get over the smell, and it's not a disgusting smell. I just don't like that fresh ginger smell. It smells really, really strong, very fresh, and I think if you like that smell, this would be perfect. But again, the scent is just not for me. However, I am gonna try this one out. I'll let you guys know what I think, but I am really excited for the properties and kind of how this one works. So that is the main thing. And the next two products in this kind of hair care segment are both banana scented. You guys know banana shampoo, banana conditioner, like we love it. We love a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner over here, and I am so excited about these. So we have the banana shampoo and the banana conditioner. I am so excited about both of these. The packaging again, absolutely beautiful, and let's go through them. So on the shampoo, it says behind every strong head of hair there's a great shampoo. Here's one with every softening ingredient we could find for moisture, volume and strength. And ingredients wise in this one, we've got hand harvested coarse sea salt. Again, we love a scrubby shampoo. We also have lemon balm infusion. We have fair trade bananas, Tonka Absolute, Vanilla Absolute, Brazil nut oil, Capucci butter, linseed oil. I'm so excited about this one. I hope it just smells like banana. That is what I'm hoping. So, oh, okay, this one, I'm not gonna lie, I forgot it was brown, so it kind of gives me like old banana kind of look. Like, it looks like a brown banana, but I actually kind of like that. It gives that really natural ingredient kind of feel to it, which I like. It kind of smells how I would imagine if you made like a banana porridge. It kind of smells like that. Like, it's very banana-y, but it is that real banana smell rather than the synthetic banana smell. Yeah, I really like that. That is a very sweet, creamy smell. I think it would work well if you like that kind of sticky date smell. You would really enjoy this one, and together, incredible. Then we have the conditioner, which says banana conditioner for dry hair. Take your hair from strength to strength with fresh banana, softening oils and soya yogurt. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got agar gel, almond milk, fair trade bananas, olive oil, argan oil, Capucci butter, soya yogurt and Tonka Absolute. I am really excited about this one. I've actually already got a tub of this one. I got gifted it when I went to the event the other week, and honestly, this smells so good. It kind of smells like a mix between a banana conditioner and also, do you remember the moisturizer from Lush? Was it Magical Moringa or $1 Million? I think it was $1 Million moisturizer. It kind of smells like that. It's a really lovely, gentle scent. It's not overpowering in banana at all. It's very subtle. I am just really excited about this one. I really, really love a shampoo and conditioner from Lush, and I think that these two are going to be staples in my kind of routine, if I'm being honest. Okay, so the next two items we have are both facial kind of care related. So the first one we have is the Mostly face wash. This is a really lovely product. It is kind of aimed towards like beards and things like that, but you don't have to have a beard to use it. It is giving Kalamazoo kind of vibes. So on this one it says, this honey classic goes on indulgent but comes off all fresh and tingly. It's mostly for briskly blemish prone skin, but you don't need a beard to love it. And ingredients wise on this one, it says it has got thyme infusion, orange blossom honey. It's also got soya yogurt, apple juice, Capucci butter, peppermint oil, sandalwood oil, lavender oil and witch hazel extract. So blemish prone skin, you are going to love this one. I'm actually really excited to give this a try. It smells really, really good. It's got a very creamy kind of mint smell. Like, it doesn't smell like fresh mint. It doesn't smell like toothpaste. It almost smells, you know, like when you have a Tic Tac and you put a Tic Tac in your mouth and it's got that like a milky, minty kind of taste to it. It kind of smells like that in a weird way, but this one is really cool. It's very thick. Again, it is giving Kalamazoo kind of vibes. I'm really excited to try this one, and I think Ryan will really enjoy this one too, so I think he's probably going to end up stealing this one from me, I'm not going to lie. Then we have a product which I feel like they released something very similar in a kitchen box a while ago. So this is the pineapple face wash. Now, I've definitely had a Lush face wash that was pineapple scented. I think I still have got the tub of it somewhere, so I'll have to try and find it. This one says scrub smarter, not harder, with naturally exfoliating fresh pineapple enzymes. Is that the right word? Enzymes, yeah. In a smooth and creamy Capucci and almond base. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got almond oil, apricot kernel oil, we've also got jojoba oil, Capucci butter, fresh pineapple juice, lime oil, orange oil and olibanum oil. I'm very excited about this one. I love a good face wash and I love that kind of fresh feeling. Yeah, see, this smells exactly like that pineapple face wash that I've already had, but it also kind of smells like Kalamazoo, which is bizarre to me. Is it the same thing? I wonder if this is Kalamazoo. Who knows? Was Kalamazoo pineapple? Let me know down below, you lushies, you'll know. Was Kalamazoo pineapple? But this smells really good. This is a very kind of thick, again, texture. It's a little bit thinner than the other one, but it is still thick enough. I really, really like this. Again, it's not a very intense fragrance. It almost just smells creamy. Like, you can definitely smell the butters and the oils in there, but like with a hint of pineapple, which I like. And again, I just can't get over the design of the packaging. I love kind of attention to detail on each different label, so I'm really looking forward to trying that one. Okay, so the next item we have is a foot lotion, and this is the peppermint foot lotion. This is kind of giving me pink peppermint vibes, I'm not gonna lie. So is it the same kind of recipe? I'd love to know. But on this one it says a light lotion to make you feel light on your feet, hydrate and revive through, wait, I feel like I cannot read all of a sudden. Hydrate and revive rough heels and tired toes with this tingly blend of herbal TLC. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got almond oil, we've also got cocoa butter, muru butter, spearmint oil, peppermint oil, and I think that's kind of it really. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll let you guys have a little read of the ingredients. Feel free to pause it, but I think this is the same as pink peppermint. If I'm completely wrong, please let me know down below, but it's the same colour, it's the exact same smell, and it's kind of the same texture. It's quite thin, so I will be quick holding this one up. I love the colour of it and I love the fragrance of this, and to be honest, I think they did discontinue the pink peppermint lotion a while ago and I was a little bit gutted about it because I did really enjoy this product, so I can't wait to try this one and see whether it's the same, because I would be really happy if it was, because I really did enjoy it. So that is the foot lotion of the range. And last but definitely not least, we have a hand and body lotion, and this is the cocoa butter hand and body lotion. This one is in the kind of classic Lush pots for lotion, which kind of tells me it's going to be a little bit of a thinner consistency. This one says an elegant, simple cocoa butter formula that's expertly balanced to give just the right level of slip and absorption. Quite simply a classic. And ingredients wise, it has got almond oil, cocoa butter, it's got sandalwood oil, chamomile, blue oil, and I think that's basically it. I'm so excited to smell this one. Ooh, okay, yeah, so this one is definitely on the thinner side. I don't know if you guys can tell. I don't want to spill it all over the carpet, but that is a really lovely smelling one. I feel like I need to put some of this on just to try it. I'm just going to put it here. Oh, okay, yeah, so this one is a very like light, milky kind of texture, which I really like. Oh yeah, that one is very subtle. It kind of just smells like your typical body lotion, but it does have that kind of cocoa butter undertone, which is really nice. But I will say the feel of that is incredibly moisturizing. I am really excited about that one. I'm not the biggest moisturizer kind of girl. Like I've said this a lot of times, I am the sort of person that as soon as I get out of the bath or the shower and I know that I have to moisturize, I'm just like, I really don't want to. But I think I'm gonna have to, because I have got 4 brand new lotions to try now, which I'm really excited about. So that is the last item in the range, which I'm so excited about. So those are all of the products that are coming out for the Lush version range. I would love to know down below, what are your thoughts and opinions on this range? I've heard very mixed reviews on this whole situation, but I would love to know your thoughts and opinions down below. And I'm so excited about all these items. I'm also absolutely in love with the packaging. Like I still can't get over the white tubs. Like I absolutely love them. But yeah, I'm really excited. So thank you so much to Lush. If you guys are watching, you guys know how much I appreciate you, how much I love you, and honestly your generosity is just, it's mind-boggling to me. So I love you guys so much, and to you guys watching, thank you so much for just sticking by me, watching my videos, for watching this far. I love you so much, and if you guys haven't yet subscribed, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 11.7 thousand of you, which is absolutely mind-boggling. So I would love for you to subscribe, and yeah, that is everything. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.